This is day 13 of trying to bowl the perfect ball at the top of all. Yes! Come on! Yes!
Now I have a chance, though.
Ah, it's done. Now we know the definitive winner is no debate, no wickets, just the bottle.
I have one more ball extra, though.
Okay. He's gonna go one more time. He thinks he's gonna get redemption, but it's done.
So the reason we're back is because we decided that it's not a definite win that I hit it.
This was his decision, by the way, not me. I said to him he can take it, but it was like 250-50. Too many of you are asking us, where's day 13? So we decided, not me. He decided, and I decided.
Yeah, so we decided.
So, but mainly he decided. I said to him he can take the win, but he decided we're gonna come back and go again.
Yeah.